go to an event where you're so excited, you know it's going to be an amazing event with all these incredible speakers and you've learned so much, only to go 6 months ahead and realize, oh my gosh, nothing has changed. I have not advanced my business. I've not advanced my career. Everything is the same. Super frustrating. So I'm going to give you some techniques today, really easy techniques to help you go to your next event and make it the most impactful and strategic one yet. So the first thing that you want to do is be clear on your goals. What do you want to achieve? So maybe you want to network with certain people that you know that are going to be there. Or maybe there's a challenge in your business or in your career, and you think that the people that are going to be there will have some answers for you. Be clear on that. Or there's something in your business where you're like, okay, I need to connect with some new people. I want to collaborate. I want to do this, that, the other thing. Write out exactly what it is so that when you're at this event and they're giving you tons of amazing information, there's a lot of speakers, maybe there's just a lot of content. It is very easy to get overwhelmed, right? And to kind of be thinking, oh, I should go after this shiny object or that shiny object. And they may be great things, but going in with a clear intention is going to help you be much more strategic, much more successful. Here's the next thing that I want you to do. At the end of the day, rewrite your notes. See if you've achieved your goals or if you've made some connections. And then make sure that you know what you're going to do the next day so that you can further your accomplishments. And then the last thing that I want you to do is on the very last day, I want you to write out your plan of action. What are you going to do with the information that you learned or the people that you met? What are you going to do right when you get back to your office or back home so that you can take what you learned and make it into the most 1, 2, 3 punch impact that you can. So you feel really great 6 months later because you know that something amazing came out of that. All right, well, good luck at your next event. I would love to hear some of the challenges that you have had, but also some of the wins that you've had. I would love to hear about all of that so that I can help create new content to help you guys all be more successful. Till next time.